Yeah, good morning, everyone. So yesterday we saw some stability in the international market, specifically Europe and US, wherein further incremental crises were not there, and prices of the banking, that is uh, European banks and mid-sized bank or smaller bank in US were up by anywhere between 2 to 4%. So that has created some positive sentiment in the those market, and we saw some positive movement. And also futures of the US markets are also positive. Asian markets are also indicating some positive trend with increase of somewhere between 0.25 to 0.5%. And uh, dollar has shown some decline, and that has resulted into uh, increase in most of the commodity prices. Oil went up sharply yesterday and moved up to almost at $79, but $78, which was yesterday at around 75.5. So oil price has moved up on account of some development in the Kurdish regions, wherein Iraq there could be some questions on the supply of this oil from the Kurdish regions, which is almost around 0.5% of the world oil supply. So that has created some positiveness in the oil prices, and that has moved up. And apart from that, dollar has come off, and also there is some stability in the world economy, uh, or risk of trade are going on. That's why risk of situation is improving. So that has taken the oil also up. Overall, what we see that today again, the Indian market are also likely to follow international market, and may see some positive trend. The biggest bigger concern is in the mid cap and small cap stock. They are coming off very sharply. This is mainly because of the what we feel is also on account of some poor demand because of the year end, and there is some possibility that the HNI may be clearing up their books, and which is leading to some sort of selling in those stocks. So what we see that that can become bit an opportunity to accumulate quality stocks at the uh, bottom of at a lower end of the prices. Apart from that, what is expected is that the gas prices from 1st April is likely to be at around $6.5. That is administered prices. Last 6 months, the prices were at 8.57, and that was based on some formula from international gas prices of four regions. If you follow the same formula, then the price could have been around 10.7. But in recent Kirit Parikh committee report, the government come up with a new formula, and it is likely that those formula will be followed, and wherein they had fixed the gas prices at 10% of Brent. So that works out to around somewhere around $7.5. But Kirit Parikh committee has recommended cap of gas price at around 6.5. So administered gas prices, which is produced in domestic old field, will be at around 6.5, likely to be at around that, and that will result into lower profit for ONGC and Oil India in the next 6 months. And also HOEC, one of the field, will have some impact. Whereas that is a small field, and the gas price freedom is there for HOEC, but one of their field, that is Darroch, sales at administered price because there is low demand for the gas in that region. So it seems like that will act as a bit negative for them, but will act as a positive for the gas distribution company like IGL and MGL. So, but still it is not clear whether this will be implemented, but that is most likely to come up from 1st April. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we like to witness some positive mood during a day. Yesterday, we have seen that the Nifty has faced a very strong resistance at around 17,100 level, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Any move above 17,100 level, we can witness the further upside, which can might take a Nifty towards 17,180 to 17,240 levels. Whereas on the downside, as of now, the immediate support is placed at around 16,840 levels. Any move below that levels will drag the Nifty towards 16,800 to 16,700 levels. As Sir has rightly pointed out, that it is a stock specific market, so one should be give a more emphasis into the stock trading rather than the index specs. Coming towards the bank nifty for today intraday purpose, 39,740 and 40,000 are the crucial resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas on a downside, 39,240, 39,000 are the support levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance Services, 70,700 and 17,820 are the resistance level. On the flip side, 17,530 and 17,460 are the support levels. Stock specific, Godrej consumer products really doing very well. If we looks towards the weekly chart, this particular counter has given the breakout of the consolidation breakout, as well as it has given the flat pattern breakout on the daily charts. Yesterday, we have initiated a buy call. Those who have missed out, they can take a buy call today also. Maintain the stop loss of a 940 for immediate target of 990. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, on the derivatives front, as we're witnessing that there is a completely range-bound scenario currently in the market. Nifty is likely to remain in the range of 16,800 to 17,200 level. But on the flip front, we are seeing that as per the OI basis, 17,000 put writer strike positions are not getting liquidated or getting shifted on the lower end. Currently, we are witnessing that on the monthly basis, almost there is 18 million positions of put writers being added up at 17,000 per striker. So currently, till that time, the positioning of shifting is not getting happen or at that strike of put writers. So till that point of time, we might witness a strong pullback from the lower levels. Once in Nifty on the upper front, we are seeing that the resistance for as per the call writer positions is at 17,200 to 300 level. Once Nifty gets clearance of 17,200 level, then only we might witness some fresh buying in the market. Till that point of time, we might see some range bound scenario. As we are seeing that the India VIX yesterday increased again by 1.35%, giving close around 15.40 at 15.40. Once if India VIX goes below 14.5 level on the closing basis, then only we might see some stability in the market. Till the time India VIX is trading above 14.5 level, till that point of time we might see heavy volatility in the market. As per the PCR OI also, we are seeing the PCR closed at 0.85 level. PCR is getting difficulty to get and close get to closing above 1. So once if PCR gets close above 1, then only we might see some stability. So all the scenario right now we are seeing from the derivative data front is like some range bound scenario and a selling from the upper end level. So currently we should wait for new long positions. Once if in today's trading session for next 1 to 2 trading view would be like once if Nifty on the spot basis goes about 17,100 level, then only we might create new long positions for the upside movement of 100 to 150 points. Till the time Nifty is holding 16,800 level, till that point of time, we should hold our long positions. From the sectoral view, we expect pharma sector is showing a positive strength from last 2 to 3 trading session. From that selective stock would be Oro Pharma. Oro Pharma is showing some positive strength from previous 2 trading session. We are seeing that the OI and volume both have been getting increased on the daily basis. So we expect Oro Pharma to show some positive strength in today's trading session also. That's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. PNC Infratech has backed a new hybrid annuity highway project of Morth for a bid project cost of 819 crores. Dilip Buildcon has been declared as L1 bidder for a new HAM project in Bengaluru, Vijayawada under Bharatmala scheme worth rupees 780 crores. Aditya Birla Capital has approved a sale of its entire stake in Aditya Birla Insurance Brokers. The deal is valued at 455 crores, so positive for Aditya Birla Capital. Carisil has earlier name was Acrisil. The company has renewed its contract with Karan Inc. USA. It's a US-based retailer to supply quartz kitchen sinks for rupees 550 crore over a 5-year period, starting FY24. So this provides a decent visibility of growth in future. This is positive. Banking system is likely to witness 12 to 13% growth next year in terms of advances. And that is compared to around 15.5% kind of growth that we will be witnessing in the current year. This is the expectation of SBI. Uh, Mahindra Finance will post around 15 to 20% kind of growth in disbursements and a double-digit loan growth in FY24, according to the MD. And this growth will be driven by tractor and used vehicles. Thank you.
Good morning. All Cargo Logistics has signed share purchase agreement with KWE and KWE Group for acquisition of 30% stake of KWE held in Gati Kintetsu Express Private Limited, material subsidiary company. Post completion of this transaction, All Cargo will hold 30% stake and Gati will continue to hold 70% stake in JKEPL, the material subsidiary company. This is positive to the company. Thank you.
Good morning. SGVN, the hydroelectric power generation company, has secured green financing of around 915 crores from Japan Bank for International Corporation. The loan is co-financed with Japanese private financial institutions. The objective of the incumbent debt is to finance 90 megawatt Omkareshwar floating solar power project in Madhya Pradesh and 100 megawatt solar power project in Gujarat, having a combined estimate cost of 1,288 crores. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Good morning. Yesterday, Heritage Foods announced on exchanges that it has launched a range of beverages and ice cream from this summer. It includes new range of buttermilk products under the brand name of A1 and a new range of milkshakes and ice lollies. These new product launches are in line with company's strategies to grow the contribution of value-added products in its portfolio. This is positive for the company. India Pesticides received technical equivalence certification in the European Union for its newly commissioned herbicide technical product, which will augur well for its export revenue growth. This is positive over the long term. Thank you.
So now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might see some pullback in gold and silver. Gold can test 58, 800 to 850 on higher end, and from there, some profit taking is expected. So all in all, one can buy gold around 58, 550 to 500 levels, and maintain a stop loss of 58, 400. On upside, 58, 850 to 900, one can, for a trading purpose, one can sell and maintain a stop loss of 59, 100. Silver also, prices are supportive at 69, 500 to 300 levels. So buying on dip is recommended. 69, 900 to 800, and maintain a stop loss of 69, 300. On higher end, profit taking is advisable at 7040 in crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed the breach of the resistance zone of 58.50, and we expect the momentum to continue. So buying around 59.30 to 5900 is recommended, and maintain a stop loss of 58.30. On upside, 6100 to 6150 is expected. In natural prices, we have seen prices are continuously drifting lower. So olive oil prices are under pressure, and it is recommended to sell on rise. So 190, the April contract 190, one can sell and maintain a stop loss of 197. On dip strategy and maintain a stop loss of 770. On higher end, 782 to 85 is expected. Zinc also looks attractive, so buying is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 254. On higher end, 260 is expected. Aluminum also, we recommend to go long around 206 levels and maintain a stop loss of 204.5. On higher end, 209 is expected. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. In USD INR, one can create short position if we get any pullback around 82.30 levels or 82.35 levels with a stop loss of 82.51. Should maintain the target of 82.06 levels. And if we get 82.07 levels, one can create a long position also with a small stop loss of 82 for the target of 82.25 levels. In Euro INR, one can create long position if we get any profit bookings around 88.75 levels with a stop loss of 88.50 with a target for the target of 89.15 and 89.40 levels. In GBP INR, one can create long position around 62.82 levels with a stop loss of 62.60 for the target of 63.17 and 63.30 levels. Thank you.